Ever look at a box of parts and think, I could build that? Well, it's the same for me. There's a lot out there I haven't tried yet, but let's fix that. Hey, I'm Adam, and this channel is where I build, break, and fix the kind of projects that most people just scroll right past because they're too complicated. And spoiler alert, they usually are. Every build I take on, you're coming along with me. The wins, for the mistakes, for the 2 a.m. why is this on fire moments. No gatekeeping, no pretending I know everything, just real builds, start to finish, so you can decide if you want to take one on yourself. And we're kicking things off with a big one. This is the Xplorer IQEX kit from Formbot 3D, a full 3D printer kit with 0 shortcuts. We're going to go from first screw to first print together. So if you like projects, problem solving, watching somebody learn out loud, you've come to the right place. New to me, maybe new to you, let's explore it together.